In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resubscribe someone to your Mailchimp audience. Whether you're managing a newsletter or reaching out to clients, having a clear understanding of how to resubscribe contacts is crucial for maintaining effective communication. So let's dive right in and guide you through this process step by step. First, you'll want to head over to the Mailchimp website. Once you're there, log into your account using your credentials. This should bring you to your Mailchimp dashboard, which is your control center for managing all things related to your audience. From the dashboard, the next thing you need to do is click on Audience from the menu on the left side of the screen. The audience section is where you can manage your contacts, segments, and other crucial details for your mailing lists. Once you're in the audience section, go ahead and click on All Contacts. This will give you a comprehensive view of everyone in your mailing list, including their subscription status. To find the specific contact you wish to resubscribe, use the search bar. You can enter the contact's name or email address to quickly locate their information in your list. This search functionality is especially useful when you're dealing with a large number of contacts. After locating the contact, you need to verify their current status. It's essential to do this to ensure you're taking the correct action. If the contact is marked as unsubscribed or cleaned, it means they are currently not receiving emails as part of your communications. Once you have confirmed their status, click on the contact's name. This action will take you to a detailed view of their contact information and settings within Mailchimp. In the contact details view, look for options labeled Edit or Actions. These options usually provide you with the necessary tools to manage the contact's subscription status. What you're specifically looking for here is the resubscribe option. Now, an important note to remember is that you can only resubscribe a contact if they have explicitly given their consent to receive emails again. Consent is crucial to comply with privacy laws and to ensure you're respecting the preferences of those on your list. By following these straightforward steps, you can efficiently manage your contacts in Mailchimp, ensuring that your audience is up to date and engaged. Mailing lists are a powerful way to keep your audience informed and connected, so understanding these tools will significantly enhance your communication strategies. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more tips and tutorials to master your digital marketing skills.